video is intended to give you an overview of author brand, brand identity, and brand awareness. It's a starting line to begin the conversation of who you are, or more importantly, who the world thinks you are. Let's start with author brand. Your author brand is the consistent expectation that your readers hold when they hear your name. That's why some experts suggest focusing on one niche and developing that brand before expanding to other areas. Since you are the brand, if you're all over the place, readers won't really know what to expect from you. I'm going to use author Kate Ballinger as my example. The first book I read from Kate was called Twilight Hunter, and it was a paranormal romance, and I loved it, so I automatically bought the next one, Immortal Hunter. When I found out she had a new series coming out called The Seven Range Shifters, I was excited to find out that, again, she was writing paranormal romance. So this is what author brand means. It's the consistent expectation that your readers hold when they hear your name. So I'm expecting Kate's next series to be paranormal romance, which, happily, it is. So while your author brand is something you can control by the content you reveal, it's also something you can't control because it's the impression the readers have of you based upon what you show them. You're welcoming the reader into your world, and your brand sets up what that reader should be able to expect from you. If you write a space opera and brand yourself around space opera themes, it will be quite jarring for your readers to pick up one of your books and find out that it's a contemporary Amish romance. So even though you might want to write across multiple genres, consider focusing at first on the dominant genre where you will launch your career. Nora Roberts started out as a romance author. Then she used a pen name to reach a different group of readers with her futuristic suspense novels. Now, moving on to brand identity. Brand identity is the visual representation that you choose to represent your brand. It's your font and your colors, usually combined with an image to make a logo, but not always. Think about the products in your life. Tiffany's has the font and the color Tiffany blue. Starbucks has the two-tailed mermaid or siren. Apple has the gray apple. I'll include a link in the description to an article I found from 2017 titled The 100 Most Famous Logos of All Time. Maybe browsing those will give you an idea of how you'd like to visually represent yourself. And if you're feeling super creative, you might want to think about creating a logo with a hidden meaning. I'll include another article titled 27 Famous Logos with Hidden Meanings in the description below. Okay, so basically, brand identity is the same visual representation you choose to represent yourself over and over again. And our last topic for this video is brand awareness. Brand awareness is tricky to define in one sentence because many sources define brand awareness differently. So this is my opinion. I consider brand awareness as the deeper connection you make with your reader. Once they recognize your brand, as in brand recognition, then brand awareness is when the reader understands the feelings and values that your brand brings to the marketplace. And that happens through what you say, what you do, what others say about you and your work, and all the other unique aspects of your author presence, either online or in person. So what's the one major takeaway from this video? As an author, you don't deliver a product, you deliver an experience. Thanks for watching.